In this video, I am going to share with you special coconut dosa recipe, soft, fluffy and filled with the gentle aroma of coconut. This gluten-free, high-fiber dosa is specially good for diabetes, thyroid and PCOS cases. Let us start with the melt-in-mouth coconut dosa recipe. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sathvik Lifestyle. Here I have taken 1.5 cup of barnyard millet. Wash it once and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. Barnyard millet is also called as sanva, kuthiraivali or udalu. It is gluten-free alkaline grain. It's good for digestion, perfect for people with gluten intolerance. It is high in fiber and great for weight loss. Keeps you full for longer and reduces cravings. With low glycemic index, it helps to prevent sugar spikes and very good for diabetic patients. With rich iron, it is excellent for improving hemoglobin and preventing anemia. Contains good level of magnesium and B vitamins which helps to regulate thyroid hormones. After 6 to 8 hours of soaking, transfer it to blending jar. Here I have taken half cup of cooked barnyard millet. You can also add poha and 1 cup of grated fresh coconut. If you have coconut water, you can add coconut water. By adding millet soaked water, blend it smooth. Batter should be slightly thick like this. Add pink Himalayan salt as per taste and mix well. Cover and keep it for fermentation for 6 to 8 hours or 12 hours depending upon the climate of your area. Batter has fermented really well. Mix gently. Heat cast iron tawa on medium flame. Pour ladle full of batter and spread gently. Cover a lid and cook. Fresh coconut contains lauric acid which acts as antibacterial, antifungal and antimicrobial. It is packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. It helps to improve metabolism, heart health and gut health. Now let us open the lid and check. It is cooked perfectly. You can see the golden brown color. Flip the dosa. This dosa goes well with any chutney of your choice. Friends, do try this healthy recipe and let me know how it has turned out. If you like this video, then please hit like button and share it with the needy people. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and press bell icon for more healing and healthy recipes. See you in the next video. Till then,